Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product in exchange for an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's talk about water bottles. A lot of you carry around a bottle like this, either for camping trips or for hiking or for just daily use, walking around the park, walking around work, whatever. You all have a bottle like this. That's great. My daughter actually likes this one. This one has a couple things on it. One, it's got a carabiner that she likes to go ahead and put onto her school backpack, so she'll go ahead and do that. And it opens up and it's got a straw. There's a straw all the way down. It's a nice stainless steel water bottle. She really likes this. My wife likes this water bottle. This water is not straw. It's got a little clip on it just kind of hanging it. But instead of a straw, what you do is you open it up and you can just drink straight out of it. And it's got the nice thing about this is the lid has a little top that stays on the top. So if you take the lid off, you can't possibly lose it because it's still attached. So that's nice. She likes this one because you can just drink straight out of it, just pour it back, drink out of it. And it's got a longer strap, so she can go ahead and kind of put it over her shoulder and she can carry it around. She's even gonna have a way of wrapping it around her purse. But she likes this water bottle because it's got this strap here and it doesn't have a straw. You just drink straight out of it. And I personally like this water bottle because it doesn't have a straw, so that's fine. I can just drink straight out of it, but it's got a handle. I like being able to carry things like this, kind of just put it down, grab it and go. So when I'm working out outside on like the deck or kind of moving things around, I can just kind of grab it, go like this, or I can just grab it and go like this. I don't like having long straps. I don't really need a carabiner. I just like the handle or the little thing, and I can carry it around like this. Guess what? They're all the same water bottle. This is more than just a regular water bottle. Yes, it keeps things cold. Yes, it keeps things hot. I've had it keep things cold for about 24 hours in here. Fill it with ice, go ahead and pour stuff in there. They'll stay cold for a long time. This is actually a water bottle system. Let me show you. It comes with the bottle itself, and this is a good 40-ounce stainless steel, 18.8 stainless steel. It is dishwasher safe. It holds up well. This is the black. I just kind of hand washed it. I'll talk about that in a second. This is the black. There's also another color, pink, might be other colors available. With this system, you get this water bottle and you get this innovative little ring. This ring fits right there. And then you can go ahead and pick what kind of top you want. Here is a top without a straw. No straw. It still has a rubber gasket there. It's still nice and sealed, but the top is actually attached. So when you go ahead and unscrew it, it stays on there. It's not going to fall. You're not going to lose your top. I really like that. You can use this for your water bottle, just like that, or you can use the straw one with your water bottle. And by the way, this comes with not one straw, but two straws. So in case you happen to lose one or you break one by accident, you have a second straw. And it fits in there just like this. And now what top you use, you just screw it on. There we go. And you now have this ring, this little attachment ring with your water bottle. What's that get you? Well, the attachment ring allows you to do things like attach that handle that I like. Or you can attach that shoulder strap that my wife likes. The way these things work, these little clips on the side, it has little holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clip it on there, just like that. And I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna go to the other side right there, and I'm just gonna clip it on. There we go, nice and secure. By the way, if the ring doesn't line up, you just loosen it up, move the ring the way you want it. And let's see, I want it right there, and you tighten it down, and there we go. That carabiner, same thing, there's a little hole right there. You just put the carabiner in, close it up, and then you can go ahead and put it on the backpack. So again, this is a whole water bottle system. You actually get two different tops, depending upon whatever preference you have. You get a braided handle, which is actually very nice. It's a nice solid handle. You get a adjustable shoulder strap. It's a little tight right now, but it's adjustable. It goes up and down. It can go bigger or longer. You get the carabiner hook. But then I also mentioned cleaning it. Yeah, you get a whole cleaning kit as well. You got a water brush. These things are actually really, really helpful for actually cleaning way in there. So let's see here. A week ago, I actually had iced tea in here, and there was a little bit of just iced tea residue at the bottom. And I was running water in, and it really wasn't cleaning it out. But this brush, you just kind of put it in, wipe it around a couple times. It does hit the bottom. I'm hitting the bottom right now, and you clean it out. That's really nice. You get this brush with this system. And of course, you also get a way to clean these straws out. And this is just a straw cleaner, and that will go ahead and also clean it out. And likewise, if you're using the top, you can also clean it out through there. You can clean all that stuff out. So if you have soda or you have iced tea in there, you just go ahead and put it in there, kind of clean all that stuff, sugary stuff out rinse it out, and you're good to go. Again, it is dishwasher safe. You can put the bottle and the lids into the dishwasher. I don't put the straws in because I always find they actually fall to the bottom and kind of get caught up. But everything else, that's why you have these brushes to clean things out, and everything else is cleanable and dishwasher safe. It does hold cold as well as hot drinks. You can go ahead and put coffee in here. I haven't had the need to yet, but I can definitely see during the winter time when we go out to pick out a Christmas tree from the Christmas tree farm. It's always cold, it's always chilly. I could definitely see putting some hot cider in here, or maybe some hot chocolate in here, and then just kind of going out, finding our tree, tromping around, while this thing is attached to one of us. I don't know who. Either my wife will carry it over her shoulder, maybe my daughter will carry it on her belt, or I'll just go ahead and put a little handle on it and I'll carry it this way. So again, this is a great water bottle system. You get so much stuff with it. Why buy a regular water bottle and then go ahead and get a bunch of accessories that you need to use with it, or get replacement lids and all those other things, when you could just buy this whole set that includes the 40-ounce 18/8 steel water bottle. It includes 2 different caps, one with a straw, one without, and 2 straws, by the way. You go ahead and you get that ring, which will allow you to then go ahead and do custom mounts. The custom mounts are things like a braided handle, or an over-the-shoulder strap, or even a little carabiner, or a combination of those things. All that stuff included, plus a water bottle brush for cleaning everything out, for cleaning the actual brush itself, and the fact that the whole thing's dishwasher safe makes this water bottle system a no-brainer. Yeah, this water bottle and all the accessories make this a great package. Highly recommended.